Hello everyone, welcome to PG in Psychology Entrance Preparation. I'm Lakshmipriya and currently I have completed my MPhil from Calicut University. I'm here to take a class regarding a topic that is related to biological basis of behavior. So we can move on to the classes. So the first chapter is neuron, and among this chapter I'm taking a short note about neuroglia. So what does this neuroglia means? We all know about neurons, what they are neurons, what are the important functions of neurons, where we can see the neurons. So there is a general tendency to avoid the small structure. So actually it is a small structure. So when comparing to the neurons, neuroglia is much abundant, like it's almost 5 times more than the neurons, which can be seen in the nervous system. So what is this neuroglia? The neuroglia are the non-neural, non-excitable cells which are a major component of the nervous tissue. So what are the major functions of this neuroglia? The major functions are they are supporting in nature, they are insulating, they are nourishing the neurons. So these are the major functions of neuroglia. The next one is we can look on which all are the types of neuroglia. So generally this categorization or this classification can be divided into 2 types. The one is the neuroglia which can be seen in central nervous system. The other one is neuroglia which can be seen in the peripheral nervous system. Okay. So first one is central nervous system. So in central nervous system we can see certain type of neuroglia, namely oligodendrocyte, astrocyte, ependymal cells and microglia. The next one is peripheral nervous system. In peripheral nervous system 2 types of neuroglia is abundantly seen. The one is satellite cell, the other one is neurolemma. There is another name for neurolemma, it is called as Schwann cells. Okay, so we can go in detail with each of them. So first one is astrocyte. So the astrocyte, it is the most numerous cell type within the central nervous system. It is star-shaped, it is abundant, it is versatile, and it will help in the migration of the developing neurons. Okay, and the other major function is it is involved in the formation of the blood-brain barrier. The other main function of the astrocyte is it is help in the nutrient transfer. So these are the important points that is related to astrocyte. The other one is microglia. So microglia, it almost acts as a macrophages for the central nervous system, like it is mainly involved in the cell eating. The next one is ependymal cells. So the ependymal cells we can mainly seen in the ventricles of the brain and in the central canal of the spinal cord. Okay, and the major function of the ependymal cell is the production and regulation of cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, the next one is oligodendrocyte. What is the main function of oligodendrocyte is it produces a myelin sheath. Because this myelin sheath is very important for the electrical insulation for certain neurons in the central nervous system. So oligodendrocyte, it is mainly involved in the production of myelin sheath. Next is satellite cell. So they surround the cluster of neuronal cells bodies in the peripheral nervous system. So they are seen as clusters within the peripheral nervous system. So what are the function of these? They provide nutrient support and protection and also involved in the neurotransmission. Finally, Schwann cells. So these are mainly seen in the peripheral nervous system. They form myelin sheaths around the large nerve fibers in the peripheral nervous system. They are also very vital for the neuronal regeneration. So these are the basic characteristics and functions of the different types of neuroglia. Hope it is clear. So for more interesting classes and to crack the PG entrance examination with ACE, join our team. See you in class.